Kasi nga, ano ako eh, kumbaga nagvi-visit ako sa church, ganun. That time, nakaupo ako sa likod, tapos dumating siya. Di ko alam, di naman ako naniniwala sa mga dramatic na yung mga ganun-ganun. Tapos biglang titigil yung mundo.
Ayun, nakita ko na yun eh, na pagpasok ko ng pinto ng church, nakatingin siya. Binaliwala ko lang yun kasi, parang sabi ko, baka nag-assume lang ako. Pero parang, kahit patapos na yung event sa church, ganun pa din, kumakain ako, nagkakabay pa ako, ganun pa din siya, nakatingin pa din siya.
Siya lang yung nag-highlight sa akin na parang naalala ko na kahit umuwi ako, naalala ko yung mukha niya, naalala ko yung ganda niya, ganun.
You have been so patient.
Hanggang Bulacan.
So Lord, this is my reply, and I wanna know.
Ang galing pala tumiming ni Lord na hindi namin expect na same date din pala yung first date namin at yung wedding date namin. So, sobrang na-amaze ako kay Lord. At yun, niligawan ko siya that time at pumupunta ako. Halos dumating sa time na 4 na beses ako pumupunta sa kanya, naliligaw ako. So yun, nabihag yung puso niya.
With you, come on, sing it out. And I wanna love you, and not just be loved by you. Wanna walk with you. I wanna know.
When love feels light, I will rejoice. When love feels heavy, I will carry it with you. I promise to protect your heart, to speak with kindness. I promise to forgive as God has forgiven to us. To humble myself with pride in hands to rise. And to always bring our struggle back to Him. Because without God, we are fragile. But with Him, we are unbreakable.
Salamat sa pagmamahal mo. Salamat sa palagi mong pag-uunawa sa akin. Salamat dahil kahit sa mga panahon halos wala ka na, iniisip mo pa rin ako. Naalala ko yung mga araw na wala ka. Ang tagal nung pinaghirapan kumita ng pera, pero yung literal na bariyang meron ka, ibinili mo pa ng shake sa akin. Handa mong ibigay yung huling 5 mo para sa akin. Doon ko mas lalong naintindihan yung tunay na pagmamahal mo sa akin.
Love never gives up. Never loses faith. It's always hopeful and endures through every circumstance. I first saw you in church. I was only passing through with a different place and different season of my life. But when I saw you, the noise disappeared. Sa dami ng tao, ikaw lang yung nakita ko.
There's trouble on your mind. You're losing faith. Hey now, let me hold you. It'll be okay. 'Cause I will love you till they take my heart away. Remember when you called.
Nandiyan na yan. Kayo ang magdadala ng pamilya nyo. Iayos nyo na lang. Yun lang ang masasabi ko kayo. Dahil sa isang pamilya, maraming pagsubok na dumarating. Hindi lahat masaya. Kaya dapat mapagtagumpayan natin lahat yun.
If I lost you, I would feel the same. I will love you till they take my heart away. Believe I'm here to stay. I will love you till they they take my heart away.
Today, before God and everyone we love, I give you my heart completely, freely and forever. I choose you in this life, and I will keep choosing you till God calls us home.
I'm here to stay. I will love you till they take my heart away, away.
From this day forward, you will not walk alone. You and I will walk with Jesus.
Till they take my heart away.
My Lord, I love you. Till they take my heart away.
I will love you till they take my heart